Lesson number 3, Addition. Explanation. Addition with carrying over. Tanvi has 637 beads. Sanvi has 574 beads. How many beads do the two girls have altogether? Adding 7 single beads to 4, we get a string of 10 and 1 bead is left over. 3 strings of 10 added to 7 strings is equal to 10 strings. Adding 1 new string makes a total of 11 strings of 10 beads each. Joining 10 out of 11 strings makes 1 purse of 100 and 1 string is left over. Together the two girls have 11 purses of 100 beads. 1 new purse added to the 11 purses makes a total of 12 purses. Of these, 10 purses of 100 beads each, taken together, make 1 wallet of 1,000. Let us make 1 wallet of 1,000. 2 purses of 100 are left over. The beads of both girls together make a total of 1,211 beads. Let us write the addition of 637 plus 574 as shown alongside. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Add 6,785 plus 7,453. First, we arrange the numbers vertically, add units to units. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Add tens to tens. 8 10 plus 5 10 is equal to 13 tens. 13 10 means 100 and 3 tens. Carrying over the 100, 3 tens remain. Now, 700 plus 400 is equal to 1100. 1100 plus 100 carried over is equal to 1200. 1200 means 1,200. Carry over 200 remain. Now, 6,000 plus 7,000 is equal to 13,000. 13,000 plus 1,000 carried over is equal to 14,000. Now only 1 digit is written in each place. Since 14,000 means 1 10,000 and 4,000, we make a new place for the 10,000. The new place will be marked 10,000. The sum of the two numbers is 14,238.